This tip is for hair pulling and what you can do to help reduce or stop pulling. Now, one strategy that sort of simulates pulling is using different types of paintbrushes and pulling out the hairs. There are, of course, large size paintbrushes, which are your average ones, and then there are nice small paintbrushes. For example, there's something called a Finger Max paintbrush that fits on a fingertip, and you can literally put it on your fingertip and just pull out little hairs from it. So using a paintbrush and the fine hairs, if you like that sensation between your finger, can help alleviate the feeling and channel some of that sensory. So if that is something that you think might work, you could certainly give it a try. I'll put a link on otkidsmass.com for the type of Finger Max brush that I'm talking about so that you can take a look at the product.